And also we can say like that the floor division we can see here. So this is the floor division representation is like this, right? And you can run it as well. Or another example we can say like that the 9 by this. So this is 1. So here we go, and there are basically the reason we get the result because we are using the floor division. The double these are two forward slashes. These two forward slash operation uh, truncate the decimal without rounding and returns an integer result. So if we want to get the remainder from the division, so if we want to get the remainder from division, so it will be the like we can say like 9 and 5, sorry, this, and then we will run it, then it will show us the remainder, the 4. So so this 4 now basically 5 goes into the 5 goes into the 9 once with the remainder of the 4. The percentage operator returns the remainder after the division. So here if I just mark down it, and if I want to write it here, like 5 goes into 9 once with the remainder of 4. The percentage sign or you can say operator return the remainder after division. So if we continue the arithmetic operations, so here we go, and here we can say like that the if we talk about the powers, and powers will be the work like this. Here the 3 double star power is 3 power by 2. If we see like that and execute it, then it's 9, means 3 square equal to 9. And also we can multiply with the decimal values, and also like this the if we take under root for this, and that is by 1 by 2 equal to this, so we can run it, then it's 2. So and also we can see the order or operators in Python like this 3 plus 5 multiply by 10 and plus 7. So if we see this like this way, so what we see, the result is 60 here. So, and also you can use the parentheses as well, and this is like this way. We can say like that 3 plus 5 and multiply by, we can say like 10 plus 7. Here we go, and we see here the result is 136. So with the sequence of this multiplication like this here, the 5 multiplied by 50, 3 and 7 60, but with the help of this parenthesis we can say the result is changed.